Folks, check it out. We're bringing you a $995 starting down payment here. Let's go through this car. First of all, it's a 2015 Hyundai Sonata Sport Edition. It's got the big alloys, got the rear wing, LED fogs on it, backup cam, 2-owner unit, 24 dealer service records, right color combo. Yup. That's the pearl white metallic with tan interior, power driver's seat, hands-free Bluetooth calling, dual zone digital climate, heated seats. This is a no accident car and it is ready to go, folks. All through the shop, serviced and safety inspected. I had the opportunity to put about 50 miles on this car, drive straight down the road. Like new tires on it, fresh brakes, detailed, serviced, and ready for the road. Guaranteed credit approval, $995 starting down. Couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, hour your time, and let's rock and roll, folks. We are open during these times. We'd like to run them by appointment, so give us a call, 216-631-9900, or feel free to use the online application and online services 24/7. DasCleveland.com.